Hey guys, and today we're in the Aviva Stadium because I'm going to go behind the scenes and do a day in the life as a sports photographer.
A lot of fans have turned out for this Nations League match between Ireland and Finland, but Sophia will have a better view than all of them, as she'll be pitchside with professional photographer Seb. Based in Dublin and working for the sports file agency, Seb travels to some of the biggest sporting events in Europe. What a job!
I think it's going to be so cool learning how to use the camera, seeing what a sports photographer does on the day. There's going to be so many people in here later, it's going to be crazy. Now I'm going to go meet Seb, who's going to show me the ropes.
Sophia, thank you so much for joining me here today. I am a sport photographer, so we get in quite early because you don't want to miss anything. You know, you never know. If you get there early, sometimes the game can be called off. So you still want to get some photos of that shows the game's been called off. We're trying to tell the story of the game, whether it's Ireland hopefully winning, so we're trying to get photos of them celebrating, or even if they lose, we want to get photos that tell the story of them losing. So dejection, them looking sad, because then the press can kind of build a story around those.
So where do you sit when the match is going on? Do you sit at a certain place each time, or is it always different?
I'd say it's always different. So even though today I'm down here on pitch level, some days I might be up in the press box, kind of shooting down on the action.
And around how many pictures would you take at the match? Does it depend? Do you take loads and less at different matches?
That can really vary on the match. If lots of stuff happens in front of you, you could be shooting perhaps maybe 3, 4, 5,000 images.
Wow.
The cameras fire at a really high rate, but sometimes nothing happens in front of you, so you end up taking a lot less.
Time to get ready, Sophia. Good thing you have your photographer's bib. Surely not anybody can just wander pitch side. Read the sign.
This is your bib first, that's the most important thing. You've got to look the part.
Yep.
And then we've got 3 cameras today. So this is our big lens, it's a 400mm lens, and this will kind of get most of the action throughout the pitch. And you get one of these on as well, this just helps to support it. This will be our kind of shorter lens. I tend to have this one kind of around my neck. When the action suddenly comes in close, you've got to switch really quickly. Our 70 to 200mm lens. This is for like the best celebrations. What I'd like to try and do is make sure that I get some pictures on each one, because then it means I've taken at least 3 different types of photos. So like a big wide photo, slightly tighter, and then kind of action on that one.
And when you say wide and tight, what does that actually mean?
So the wider ones would be kind of really zoomed out, so you'd be able to see almost like the whole of the stadium. And then the really, really long, tight lenses, they'll be really, really zoomed in, get all the expressions from the players. Your brief for today is to get me the best kind of reaction photos, whether it's someone reacting to a great tackle, maybe they're celebrating, maybe they're angry, maybe they're sad. Right, match is about to start. We'll go find our positions to get ready for the players.
Let's get to work.
This is much better from Ireland. And Ireland still have it with Jason Knight. The crowd wanted to shoot, and he does. Well, some of the players around him look a little frustrated. Johnston's delivery. Decent delivery, goal! Evan Ferguson! Referee gives the penalty. And this is not popular with the Irish fans. Poyan Palo scored against Ireland in Helsinki. Kelleher in goal, what a save! He saved it!
It looks like you've got a few deadly snaps there, Sophia. Let's have a better look in studio.